Diana Guest, registered dietitian with the Ohio Beef Council, here with Confetti Beef Tacos. This meal is a really quick, easy weeknight meal if you're busy and on the go. It's got a few simple ingredients and it's sure to be one the whole family will love. We're gonna start with a pound of ground beef, brown it up in a pan, and then add our seasonings and some veggies. Okay, our beef is browning. We're gonna add our seasonings. So we've got some chili powder and salt. Give that a quick stir. Next, we're gonna add a can of corn and some chunky salsa. We're gonna combine this as well, let it cook for a few more minutes. We're gonna start assembling our tacos. We're gonna start with a layer of lettuce and tomatoes. These are called confetti tacos because the corn and the salsa looks like confetti. And there you have it. These confetti beef tacos are ready to go. They're super customizable and a quick, easy weeknight meal. For this recipe and more, visit ohiobeef.org.